Alright, he's going to start bonneting the living room now. Still hasn't done that other bedroom yet. He decided to go ahead and knock the living room out because it's the worst part of the whole apartment. A lot of these stains I know he's going to have to go back over them, so if they don't come out on the first try with the bonnet, it doesn't mean they're not coming out. It just means that they're going to have to sit a little bit longer, and he's going to have to, he's going to attempt it again.
If we get all these out, I'll be shocked. I don't count on getting them all out because they're real deep. They're just like, I think the carpet's actually ruined where those are at.
And we will probably have to wash the bonnet out really well a couple times, even on this room. So this is going to be one of the worst case scenarios.
Oh, you might as well come in here. This is the beginning of that dark stain. And I don't hope to get it all out. You want to go up there, or you'll miss it.
Alright, let's see what happens. Step back a little bit.
It's getting a lot of it out.
Yeah, with this heavy of a amount of stain and dirt and everything, we're going to probably have our bonnet saturated pretty quickly after clean it. He can flip it over if he wants to.
I'm going to here in a sec.
But it's very tempting just to keep running the bonnet and try to get a little more done, but it just slows you down.
Alright, I'm going to flip the bonnet and go over this dark area again. It came up a lot, but there's still some in there.
Yeah, that bonnet's dirty. Okay, we're going to use the other side of the bonnet for a few minutes here, and then it's going to be time to wash the bonnet out. Now remember what we're trying to do with the pre-spray. We're trying to get the stains and the dirt. There's a chemical reaction that's going to help to release the bond of the stain to the carpet fiber. And then the pre-spray is going to hold it in suspension. While it's in suspension, it's going to be wanting to go someplace. That's when a nice absorbent bonnet can come along. They can strip off any remaining dirt from the carpet fibers, and it can absorb everything. So you have to, the principle of suspension and absorption is what we're trying to accomplish here with our pre-spray. So instead of using a lot of water and flushing the whole carpet with water, we're doing a more, it's a less invasive method, but it's still able to do it's the chemical that does the chemical reaction that does the work for us here. A little tongue-tied today. Okay, he's gonna do the little area
I'm
over there.
about to wash the bonnet out
Yeah,
and continue.
this little area over there that doesn't really have any bad stains in it. It's like a little alcove the way they set the room up.
I think if I want to continue cleaning, I'm gonna have to clean the bonnet. So
They've got such a crowded area to work in over there. I'm not gonna try to show the bonnet being cleaned out. I assure you, it's gonna be some pretty black water, but I'm not gonna try to film that part of it.
it's gonna be real.
We'll just resume whenever that's clean. And so that should just take a few minutes and we'll continue the video.